Yo, mi gente, man, what's going on, man? This is day two. Day two, like I said, I'm challenging myself 30 days straight, 30 videos straight, bam, bam, bam. That's how I'm trying to do it. So, on this video here, let me tell y'all, man. Let me tell y'all a way that I like to clear my mind, help me reset. You know what I'm saying? This car is more than just a car to me. It's a way of enjoyment, way of resetting my mind. Like I said, resetting my mind, a way of chilling. You know what I'm saying? That V8 noise really do it get me right. You know what I'm saying? But let's see how much I just filled it up just now. But let's see how much it costs to this is how much my medicine costs, right? So I just filled it up just now. So let's see. I'll do like a video from the outside too. Tell how much it costs. They cost $65. That premium, you already know it. Okay. They cost $65 to get a nigga right. Got the mini bike out here. They cost $65. Ooh, about to get this. My medicine, $65. Let me get the little thumbnail. Let me get that thumbnail. Yeah, man, I just finished with cleaning the windshield, but you know the dew is on, so whatever. So it cost $65 for my medicine, dog. $65. But is it worth it? Of course it is. Of course it is. It's worth every drop. Card up if I lose my card. Oh, got the change going on. I remember back then 50 cents to fill up your car. I'm lying. But back then though, shit, I used to jump on go-karts. I don't know if y'all had go-karts back then. I remember driving my go-kart up to the gas station, 50 cents to fill it up. Boom, boom, boom. Click on the little go-kart. If y'all had go-karts, man, hey, if y'all had go-karts, what motor did y'all have? Y'all know if y'all was go-kart people for back then. This is a while ago. You know what I'm saying? This is a while ago. A real go-kart person, what kind of motor you had? I was out here, I had me a Honda motor. I had me a 5.5, I had a 6.5, I had a bridge and status motor, a 3.5, running. Yeah. I had the go-kart, a one-seater with the butterfly handlebar. I had the two-seater, man. Back then, boy, I had all type of shit. That before I jumped on dirt bikes and all. But anyway, man. The car is for me, it's a good way to reset my mind. So I'm gonna drop the window right now, so I can hear the noise. You know what I'm saying? So I can hear the vroom vroom. You know what I'm saying? Put on competitive mode. I like the way it just snatch off. See this guy, how he creeping up at the light? How he creeping up at the light? Why you creeping up for? What are you creeping up for? For what? Unnecessary. I had to give it to him. Get him the business. Foolish ass. Had to give it to him. Drop the windows off. This is the medicine right here, just hearing the noise, you know what I'm saying? Just hearing that growl, that V8, that Chevy. You know? You hear different. Like I said, this is day 2. I'm busting out video after video. I'm here to just to get used to, get comfortable. I done jumped out the car with the camera on my head at the gas station, boy. You know how uncomfortable that felt? Boy. It feels so odd doing it. But, you know, you gotta do it. If you're comfortable, you ain't going nowhere. You gotta get uncomfortable. That's the only way. Hope the wind ain't too much. You know? Let me get up on it, let me. They shooting fireworks? What the hell got going on? That might be at the stadium. That might be at that damn stadium. Yep. Jaguars probably won or something. Yeah, man. I'm out here, day 2. Like I said, my goal is just to be consistent right now. And consistency is key. I got 38. I got 38. You know, goddamn 38 days in a month. That's crazy. You know how long the year will be? Shit. I wish I bought the motor, but. So, as of right now, gas ain't really cheap. Y'all don't know. Y'all remember the other video I made before with the how much it cost to fill up the car? Right now, it costs $65 and some change. In 2025, it ain't that much cheaper than it was last year. But the gas keep going up and down. Right now, the premium was like $380 something. The other day it was like about $350 something for the premium. So yeah, y'all got me on the high end this week. So we're gonna see how it is next week. But filled him up. She like it. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna be up on it. I gave her that go-go juice. You hear that? Y'all see the fireworks? Hope y'all can see it. They look nice. You see it? It's not at the stadium though. So the stadium over here. Oh yeah, the circus. Oh, the circus here. Oh shit. I need to go to the circus. The circus is here. They going in with the fireworks. That's nice. That's nice. I like me fireworks. I'm a shift trying myself. Had to shift the down, down. up front? That's an old one though. I don't even want to shoot though. You don't want to show 9 though. It might be V6. Set it up. Let's say 4.9 last time.
One eternity later.
That bullshit ass 0 to 60. That shit took 10 seconds. God damn. Bullshit. I ain't on the gas though. That's like some minivan type crazy shit. But I think slower than that. Like, subscribe. Road 1000. Appreciate y'all. Boy. Mi gente. I'm out.